we have got the Shelby that you all want. This is the 2014 in the fantastic color, has the glass roof, has the track pack, dyno tuned at about 700 horsepower. This thing's got all the goodies, the big touchscreen electronics package. This car has it all. People love the 2013, 2014 design of the front and rear fascias. This was the biggest engine that they've offered. Since then, the engines have actually gotten smaller. This one only has about 7,000 miles. We'll go through it front to back. We're even going to take you for a test drive a little later on. For right now, though, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is the one, folks. I'm sure you'll find them out there for less money, but you're not going to find this car. We had to go halfway across the country to get this car. A lot of the options offered on this car aren't even offered anymore on today's Shelby. So the car is pretty much like brand new. We'll go around and see if we can find a flaw, but this is the really desirable deep impact blue with the over-the-top racing stripes. So the blue paint is beautiful. I mean, it looks like a show quality paint. I didn't know the factory was doing them this nice. Beautiful paint, slick, all the spoiler, all the rear bumper covers, all this stuff is really nice. Blacked out tail panel, got some Ford quad tips coming out through the bottom there. All the glass is crystal clear. Everything is just pristine looking. I don't see any nicks or chips. Here's a chip right on the edge of the door, right here. It's a real windy day, so it's a little dusty. I dusted it real quick. All this is actually, look at that big Cobra. It's not just a little sticker, a little emblem. That's like a Texas belt buckle right there. Glass is all excellent. And again, this whole roof is glass. It looks cool from outside and inside. I'm looking right inside to the car. It doesn't open, it's just a glass roof. Up front, the lower spoiler, the very edge of it is a little scrape. Must have just touched a curb. Got the fancy projector beam headlights, the fog lights. Yeah, it's pretty darn low, and it's in really nice shape. Just the corner's got a couple little scuffs on the plastic. But the bumper itself all looks to be in fantastic shape. 19-inch wheels in front, 20s in back, Michelin Pilot Sport performance, sticky tires. So yeah, really awesome car. We're just getting started. I got a lot more great stuff to show you. So why don't you join me? Wanted to show off the LED sequential tail lights. That's a cool feature. There's a power trunk release on the keychain. I already have it open. Like brand new, just like you'd expect. Has a different air induction. Does have some bolt-on parts. It's dyno tuned at 723 horsepower. Comes with the Shelby car cover, but remove this stuff and it's like brand new in here. This is part of the factory shaker stereo system. It has the big subwoofer. That's from the factory. That was an option. So the door panels, door jambs, all that's mint. It's got them big speakers in the doors. Turn off the turn signal. First, actually, look how the gauges all light up red. And this has the track pack, so you can use controls on the steering wheel and get different readings in the middle there. Different gauges and that will pop up. I like how the gauges are lit up red. The dash area is in really cool shape. Turn off the headlights. There we go. Has the big touch screen. Caleb, who knows a lot about these, says you never find that. You bought the speaker system, and that was expensive, the shaker, which this has, and then adding this is like another $2,600 or something. He says nobody ever got those. This car has it all. All brand new, like condition. Here's the owner's manual pouch. In addition to that, I have all this other great stuff, the window sticker, the Marty report, oil change records, the list of the bolt-on parts. All this will be listed on our website, volocars.com. Here's all the maintenance. Carroll Shelby embroidered mats. The center console, it has the like the mood lighting throughout the interior, a short throw shifter, the white ball, has the Carroll Shelby plaque with the VIN number of this car. And then the seats are the black leather with some suede trim, and it has the white racing stripes that match the exterior of the car. These are Recaro seats. This was another option. Again, this thing is loaded up. We'll put a copy of the window sticker on our website. Practically brand new. I'm yet to find any significant type of flaw. Doesn't smell funny. I mean, there's nothing to apologize for here. Looks like it does have a shade for them hot sunny days. Then the steering wheel is leather and suede. Has the Cobra snake, and again, controls right on the steering wheel. Has some special pedals down below there. So this is the 5.8 liter supercharged engine. And this one's got some bolt-on parts. Again, it's dyno tuned, and we have the dyno sheet at 723 horsepower and like 766 pounds of torque. And everything in here is like new. There's the carbon fiber air intake. The original's in the trunk. And yeah, again, just like a brand new engine compartment. So Caleb's going to take you for a drive right now. He better not put this thing in the ditch.
We are in the 2014 Shelby, guys. Let me tell you, it's a loud one. Love to hear the cold start in the morning, waking up the neighbors. They'll appreciate this car for sure. So these things obviously are loaded with a bunch of technology. The 14s had the most in them. This one does have the SVT advanced track pack on it, so you can change the steering on it from more of a sportier feel to a comfort feel. Same with the shocks as well. They're adjustable damping. You got a push of a button right on the side of the steering wheel, so it's right in reach. Super easy. Your traction controls down here. This has the upgraded audio package with the navigation. Obviously everything works in here. Air conditioning, turn signals, the horn, all that good stuff. This car's a monster. It put down over 750 to the wheels on the dyno. We're not going to put it all to the test. But she's fast. Throw it in 6th gear. Woo, it's intimidating. You definitely want to know how to drive before hopping in the wheel behind this thing, but super smooth. Again, just a beautiful car. You're gonna hear it coming down the road a mile away, that's for sure.
You won't use all of it, just the engine.
Radio works, AC works. You have auto climate control and dual climate control as well. Ice cold instantly. Really nice. That feels good. It's a little warmer than we thought it would be today, but that's all right. Probably the best feature, it's got to be this glass roof, guys. Even with it open, the shade is all the way back, but it's tinted, so the sun glaring down doesn't even bother me right now. It's just a badass car. Give you one more sound clip, huh? She's a loud one.
Well, was that fun? Remember, there's a buy it now button on our website. You're all racing to get to it, so I try and be the first one there. So underneath this car looks like brand new. It's spotlessly clean. You can tell this was somebody's babied car taken out on a nice Sunday afternoon. Grandma took it to church. Yeah, right. So underneath the car, it does have the track pack, the SVT track package, and you can change the whole ride and handling, changes the dampening, changes the steering, becomes a little stiffer, a little tighter, just for a more aggressive. You know, it's got Shelby struts. There's a whole list of stuff that I didn't even tell you about. That's all going to be listed on our website. Or, you know what? This thing's the beauty and the beast. You can drive it like a regular car. You put it in comfort mode. You just drive it like a normal car. You want to get on it, it'll do it. 331 traction slip rear end in the back. I came from the factory with a carbon fiber drive shaft. I've never even heard of that. This one does have long tube headers. Has a custom exhaust system, which you've already heard, has the H-pipe. Ford Racing stainless steel catback exhaust is what it has. Big disc brakes at all four wheels. They got Shelby calipers, Brembos in the front. So again, this isn't the other ones that you're looking at on the internet. If you want the ultimate 2014 Shelby, we have it sitting right here. You can go to volocars.com. It's where you'll get a lot more information about the car and a salesman that can help get it delivered, get it financed. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.